What if the secret to a robust immune system wasn't found in a lab, but in the ancient wisdom of the earth itself? Imagine a world where your body's natural defenses are consistently strong, resilient, and ready for anything. Today, we unlock the power of nature's pharmacy, revealing 7 extraordinary herbs that can transform your immune health. Stay with us to discover how these botanical wonders can empower your well-being naturally. First on our list is Echinacea, a vibrant flower long revered by indigenous cultures. It's celebrated for its remarkable ability to stimulate immune cell activity, helping your body fight off invaders more effectively. Echinacea acts as a natural shield, preparing your system for seasonal challenges and promoting overall resilience. Next, we turn to the dark, potent berries of the elder tree. Elderberry is a powerhouse of antioxidants and vitamins, specifically known for its antiviral properties. It's renowned for its ability to shorten the duration and severity of colds and flu, making it a winter wellness essential. Embrace elderberry for its protective embrace against seasonal challenges. From the kitchen to the medicine cabinet, ginger is a true marvel. This warming root boasts powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects, crucial for a healthy immune response. Ginger not only soothes, but also actively supports your body's defense mechanisms from within. Our journey continues with the golden spice, turmeric, and its active compound, curcumin. Turmeric is a potent anti-inflammatory agent, vital for reducing systemic inflammation that can weaken immunity. It helps modulate immune function, ensuring your body responds appropriately to threats. Meet Astragalus, an adaptogenic herb deeply rooted in traditional practices. It works by enhancing the body's natural resistance to stress and disease, strengthening your immune system over time. Astragalus is particularly valued for its ability to build long-term immune resilience. Often overlooked, garlic is a humble yet mighty immune booster. Its active compounds like allicin possess powerful antimicrobial and antiviral properties. Incorporating garlic into your diet can significantly enhance your body's ability to ward off infections. Finally, we arrive at the revered reishi mushroom. Reishi is a potent immunomodulator, meaning it helps balance and optimize your immune system's response. It supports overall vitality and strengthens your body's natural defenses against a wide range of stressors. These 7 herbs offer a profound connection to natural wellness, providing a gentle yet powerful path to enhanced immunity. By integrating these botanical allies into your routine, you're not just boosting your defenses, you're embracing a holistic approach to health. Ready to unlock more secrets to a vibrant, resilient life? Explore the full potential of nature's pharmacy and empower your well-being starting today. Remember, this content is for education only. Always consult a healthcare professional. If you enjoyed this video, like, subscribe, and share for more wellness tips.